What up, YouTube? It's your boy, man. Oh, dude. Oh, I don't even know how I feel about I feel incredible, man. It was a crazy weekend. Before I get started though, I want to say thank you to everybody that's been hitting the subscribe button. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you so much. It means everything to me when you guys hit the subscribe button. But what I really do like is when you guys hit the like button, man. That gives me so much motivation to just coming into this room and recording some videos for you guys, man, because it does mean everything to me, bro, when you guys hit the like button. It motivates me, you know. And something came up today. You guys see the thumbnail. I'm gonna kind of tell you guys what happened and how I got this shoe. It's crazy. It's just weird, man. It's like it was all supposed to fall into place. Last Friday, my boy GC Heat 1, if you guys want to follow him on Instagram, it's GC Heat 1. He's got a lot of steals and deals, man. His name's Isaac. Shout out to my boy Isaac. He hits me up and tells me that there's somebody 3 hours away that has the Travis Scott Fragments, the Fragment lows in a size 9, which is obviously, you know, if you guys have been watching my channel, it's my size. So he hits me up, he tells me that he has those, and shout out to what is it called, all Things Hype. Shout out to All Things Hype in Wichita. I think his name is Blake. But anyway, so this guy, you know, he has a size 9. I offered him a deal on last Friday, I believe, and he said no. He turned it down. And I was going to SneakerCon. We ended up going to SneakerCon, and this is where another shout out. I have to shout out my boy Boro Las Closet on Instagram. I'll put him his like a text up here. He gave me a pair of Fragment 3s in my size for like $345. It was a freaking steal. He has steals on his Instagram if you guys want to go over. Okay, I know this story is everywhere. But just listen, okay? So the guy turns out my deal from the Fragments that I offered him a deal, right? He didn't want to do it. So I went Saturday just looking around for shoes. I ended up picking up these here, and this is one that I've been wanting. This is the Dia de los Muertos Air Jordan 1 Med. And the reason why I really wanted this shoe is just what it represents, bro. If you guys do not know, I am Mexican. Both of my parents are from Mexico. That shoe means a lot to me, so I picked that shoe up. Then I run into my boy Boro Las Closet. His name's Sway. But yeah, shout out to him. He sold me a pair of Fragment 3s. I would show them to you guys, but hey, Sway, you pretty much helped me. You contributed to me getting this pair of shoes. I traded through 4 pairs of sneakers for these, and I had a little bit of money on top. So before you guys think that I'm just some rich dude that just went out there and spent $1,500 on a pair of sneakers, it didn't happen like that. And I don't want to make this video too long, because I'm gonna do it on feet. I'm gonna do a quick review on these shoes. I did check these shoes before I paid for them, guys. So I did make sure that they were legit. Anybody that I mess with and has helped me out and has given me deals, and you know, people that I work with, I'm gonna put them for now on my about, so you guys could check them out. And they have deals. I'm telling you, they have deals and steals. And just check them out on my about. Look them up on Instagram. Look them up on eBay, just to help you guys out, because I want to share my sources. I want to let you guys know exactly where I'm getting my shoes from. We're gonna get into it right now, though. Let's get into it right now, man, because we are at 6 minutes, dude, and people complain when the videos get too long. But this is just a laid back channel, bro. It's not like, you know, I'm not doing this channel to like be some big time YouTuber, bro. But it's funny, man. Let's open this up, because it's funny because this came in on the day that I picked these up, all right? I drove 6 hours just to have these in my hands. So we're gonna pop this open, and I'm super surprised how fast I got this in, man, because this is perfect timing for these, bro. I picked these up off of the Travis Scott website. This shirt right here, this merch, was a shirt that I picked up whenever the highs released, I believe. And it is in a size large. Just a cool shirt, man. You know, Travis Scott merch, Cactus Jack. There, you guys see it right there. I don't know if you guys can see it very good. And then it just has like this lightning or thunder on the back. Look, or lightning bolt. Yeah, I'm done, bro. Okay, so it's the Fragment collab. So obviously it's gonna have the bolt on the back, and it has the bolt on the front as well. And it's gonna have that hit of pink on the t-shirt. So very cool, man. Yeah, man, I picked up that shirt, and it's gonna go good with these kicks right here. So let's get on with the kicks, man. Here you guys see it's gonna have this case over the shoes. It's gonna say Fragment. This case is kind of scratched up, so I don't know what these guys were doing, but it's pretty scratched up. I don't know if maybe they just were sliding it around or why it's so scratched up. But yeah, man, it's a little scratched up, man. It could have gotten scratched up during shipping. I'm not sure. Let me know if your guys' box came scratched up. But anyways, that's just the case, so it's no big deal. Then you pop this open right here, and then you're gonna pull the box out, and we're gonna get rid of this case. And we're just gonna look at the shoe, man. Let me read it. The colorway. The colorway is Sail Military Blue Black, size 9, true to size. On the way home, dude, and I'm gonna say I was very upset because my daughter was riding in the back of the car on her way home, and she tore out my MSRP. And I was so upset. I was outside trying to look all over the place for this thing. I don't know if this thing's gonna focus or not, but you guys see I taped it back on there. It did retail for $150. So yeah, that's true to size, man. I have my other Travis Scott lows, and I went true to size. They fit great. If you guys do want these, I'll go true to size. So under the box, you are going to have a stamp right here. If you guys do not see that, hopefully the camera picks it up. Let me see, it's somewhere around here, but you will have that stamp there, guys. And you're gonna have a Nike swoosh, and then the swoosh on the other side. This is the paper right here that you are going to have. I know on the fakes, on the brown lows, the mocha lows, it wasn't as spaced out, but this is the paper that you guys will be having. Boy, oh boy, man, boy, oh boy, dude, here we have it. The Travis Scott Lows Fragment collab. Oh man, dude. This shoe I did not expect to have in the collection, guys. Here it is, man. I am gonna be up front with you guys. I'm gonna tell you everything straight up like it is. This shoe here, and my pink laces are unattached. They were unattached whenever I got the shoe. But this shoe here, guys, it's not gonna be some crazy quality, all right? Toe box is not like a crazy quality. Side panels, it looks all right, but it's not nothing crazy either. I might pick it up. I know on this shoe also there was like a stain on the tongue. So, oh man, I wanted to knock off some money for that, but he said that's how he got it. And I just didn't really ask him to see if he'd knock off any money. You are going to have some extra laces, guys. You'll have blue and you'll have black extra laces. You'll also have these Sail wax laces. They're all wax laces. These pink ones as well, you're gonna have the pink laces. So you will be able to choose from 4 different sets of laces, just like any other Travis Scott. The shoe is just nice, guys. I think this shoe is freaking amazing. Let me see if I can get this out of my way, see if I can give you guys a better look. If anything, I'll probably just do some B-roll. But there's the little Fragment back there. I believe that's a Fragment, or is it the, yep, that's the Fragment design back there. If you guys see it, Sail midsole, then you're gonna have these, is it right here? Oh yeah, you're gonna have this code right there on the shoe. As you guys can see. Also, you're gonna have this swoosh. So here's the swoosh, the backward swoosh, and this very nice leather quality, guys. You guys see that nice leather quality? It's probably the best leather that's on this whole shoe. You're gonna have this Sail midsole. Oh, dude, just an amazing sneaker, man. Just an amazing sneaker. Maybe I'll do a comparison. If you guys get me to like 50 likes, I'll do a comparison with the other lows, the mocha lows. But dude, just happy to have these. I'm missing the highs. And then I'll have the whole set complete. I'm gonna throw these on feet for you guys real quick. This has been a long video, so hopefully if you guys stayed through the video, let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe. Let me know if you guys picked it up for resale. Let me know if you're thinking about picking it up for resale. Dude, let me know if you guys hit for retail. That's freaking amazing. That's like the biggest W. If you guys hit on these for retail, I don't even want to hear you guys complain next year for not hitting. If you guys don't hit anything, not even the biggest general release or widest available release on Nike, I don't want you guys to complain at all if you guys actually were able to pick these up for retail this year. So that gives you a pass for next year. If next year you don't hit on nothing, bro, you already got these, man. That's a big enough W. All right, let me know what you guys think about the shoe. Is it overhyped? What do you guys think? And thank you to you guys for subscribing, liking, all that stuff, man. I appreciate every single one of you guys. It's your boy Jay, man. We're out of here. Take it easy, never sleazy. Hasta luego. Saludos.